Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today I have Little Caesars. I have been craving this all day, so I had to go get some. I got the stuffed crust pizza. My daughter already had a piece. The pepperoni, yes. And some cheese bread. Oh, yes. I forgot my marinara sauce up there. Let me go grab that. I'm back. What are you doing? I am back and ready to eat. So today is Thursday. I have just got off work probably about an hour ago. Hour, almost two. Oh, you guys, I forgot I have my Pepsi right here. About an hour ago, and I decided, why not do a video while I'm eating dinner? You know? Today has been a long day. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Oh, yes. Their cheese bread, oh, it's so amazing. I don't really like their regular cheese sticks too much. They're not really working with nothing, you know? Y'all, I'm still rocking my holiday cup because this is the best cup ever. See? It's Christmas. I love it. Oh. All right. We're going to dig in. Here goes. Look at this. My first time trying their stuffed crust. So I'm kind of excited. This is really good. Those teachers, they're moving on out. Because I mean, at one point, they just had the hot and ready pizza only. Now they got toppings you can put on. They got stuffed crust. I'm moving up. I'm like starving. I haven't eaten since lunch. And that was at 11 o'clock. So I'm hungry. Go for a breadstick. So I love cheese. A lot of people be like, that's a lot of cheese, but I love it. I've always been a big fan of cheese. And I love marinara sauce. So delicious. My daughter right here. I don't know how many pieces of this I eat. I'm kind of full already. Can't wait to taste the cheese inside. I usually go for Pizza Hut stuffed crust. It's too high. This is so much cheaper. And so far, it tastes so much better. Here goes. Look if I can see that. It's got quite a bit of cheese in it. The cheese in there. It's got quite a bit. So here goes the taste test for the cheese. That's good. Oh yes. I will most definitely be getting stuffed crust from Little Caesar from now on. I'm in my happy place right now. That crust is delicious. If y'all haven't tried this, y'all need to. That's real good. That's really good, bro. You still got her right here. Yeah. Toes these up so she start trying to play with them. Look at this sauce. It's so good. If I can play a love song right now. What? So, woo, I'm getting full. I'm trying not to drink my soda, but all this bread got me thirsty. That marinara is kind of spicy. Well, you guys, that mukbang did not last long because I'm really full. And I think the sauce is giving me heartburn. I really would recommend anybody who like pizza and don't mind eating Little Caesars. This is the place to go. Hush, girl. Don't let Dutchess out. Well, you guys, I'm full. Y'all probably hear my sister's big feet in the background flopping. Wow. Well, I thought this song was gonna be making me burp, but it really is. Why is it bald head? Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short move on because I got full quick, really fast. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And also, ooh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. I will see you guys in another video.